Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Benassi JDI. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike men's Benassi JDI slides, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black, dark grey, black colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by popping open the box flap. And giving you a direct look inside the box. Let's slide or tip the contents out from its box packaging. And just checking through to make sure nothing else is left inside, we can close the box back up and set it to the side. So just setting it on the left hand side of the table. And just arranging the contents from the box packaging so you have a full and clear look at the items from it. So these are the contents from the Nike Benassi JDI's box packaging. Let's first take a look at the hanger. So there is a thick card hanger for the slides. And just taking a close-up look at the details that's on it. Alright, and just setting that to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the table, and moving right along, giving you a look at the Nike Benassi JDI men's slides in the black, dark grey, black colorway. And now let's just focus on the right slide first, and giving you a look at the details that's on the hang tag. It's right there. The details that's on the hang tag of the slide, front as well as the back. Okay, and giving you a 360 rotation of the slide so you have a full and complete look of the slide, and taking some close-up looks. So the slide does have a foam footbed which is fully molded, and on the underside or the sole of the slide giving you a look at the traction pattern. And we can see that there is a Nike swoosh around the middle of the sole, and taking a close-up look at the texture and feel of the sole, just running my finger along its surface. So it does have a smooth feel to it. And it does have a very light weight as well. I'm just giving you a look at the other details all round of this Nike Benassi JDI. And the foot strap has a plush feel and lining on the underside, and if we take a look at the underside or back of the foot strap, we can see there is sizing details as well as some other product information. And on the top side we can see the repeating Nike design emblazoned right across the entire foot strap. And to give you some other details as well, from the back of the slide we can see that it does have quite a thick and chunky heel and contoured footbed with nubs right across the entire length of the footbed surface. And now let's take a look at the left slide. So just setting the right slide down and taking a look at the left side or slide, and once again doing a 360 rotation, this time with the left slide. And we can see once again the repeating diagonal Nike text right across the entirety of the top side of the foot strap. And in terms of the material and response, you can see that it does have a soft plastic feel to it. And you can see that it does have that structure as well, popping back up. And taking a look at the underside of the foot strap as well. Once again, we see the sizing detail or label print on the underside, and of course giving you a close-up look at the very plush and soft underside of the foot strap. So very, very soft right there, giving you that close-up look at that super plush lining on the underside of the foot strap. And to give you some idea of the foam footbed or sole of the slide, just pressing down on it with my thumbs. To just show you how firm that material is while being very light in weight. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the response of the slide. And now let's take a look at the pair together. Side by side, the Nike Benassi JDI in the black, dark grey, black colourway. And from the front to the back. and at the bottoms or the soles as well. So that's the Nike Benassi JDI. Thanks for watching and happy walking!